Man, it's foggy. Real foggy. Can't see nothing. It's weird. It's not even cold. It's just basically muggy and moist. It's foggy. But what up? It's your boy Seiko, and today, hopefully we can probably take the mufflers off on the Z, and yeah. But stay tuned and let me see about this road. It's kind of iffy right here.
See this image? This here, right to the boost side right there. That's going to go to the bottom of the T with the check ball right there with a spring on it and an adjustable nut. All right, the other is going to go inside the car. We're going to do that. And then it's going to come back out and go to the wastegate, basically.
Okay.
The whole reason of having all that hose is so we can be inside the car with the manual boost controller. So we just adjust the boost and watch it on the gauge as we drive.
Okay. Alright. It's the next day, and yeah, last night I actually finished my block. And now I gotta do the other two heads, and that'll be quick. I can knock that out probably tomorrow. And yeah. And they showed me the video of the the Integra, the one they was putting turbo on. They cranked it on, and I mean it sounded pretty decent. That was just on camera, right, in person. But I mean, hey, if that's that, it's that. Hold on, I can't talk. If that's what the owner wants, then you know, hey, let him have it. But right now, I'm gonna head to work. It's Friday. Looked like it was raining last night. I might go to the MIGS tonight, but I don't know. I don't know yet. And yeah, but I know today for a fact I'm probably gonna try to get the mufflers off. And man, I'm going to tell y'all when I get off of work about what's going to happen and how much I can make. It's crazy. But stay tuned. Alright. I just got off of work. Glad I'm off. And I'm finna head straight to, well, I'll take that back. I'm going home first. And then go to Jimmy's. I might, I don't know. You know what, I'm just gonna go straight there. But yeah. It's been a long week. Man, I swear these folks out here can't drive, man. You have to watch out. They'll pull out of nowhere, tear your car to pieces. When I say pieces, real deal pieces. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave 4 minutes, and I'll be back with y'all. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm at Jimmy's. We got the 180 out, putting in the starter. And there's a wreck over there. Camera retarded. But yeah, we're over here doing ricer. But we're over here doing a starter, and I was gonna do my, you know what, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna do my mufflers. I'm gonna push the car out, and yeah, gonna do that and probably call it a night. Cause I didn't even get to the Z. As soon as I came straight here, I was like, yeah, let's go ahead and put the start on. But yeah, I can't show y'all the car. I'm gonna review, but I don't know. Oh yeah, about the Z. Let's just say my Z will be able to keep up with a bike. The horsepower wise, one stock crank, but I can keep up with a bike. Well, I can basically leave a bike, and then fifth gear, it'll get sideways. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say for horsepower wise. That's all I gotta say. But
What?
yeah, it ain't too bad. But yeah. Yep. I ain't doing nothing but just playing around here. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. Go ahead and finish the starter.